Hi, my name is Daryl Phillips, owner of Noir Apologia Gaming, and welcome to episode 3, The Glitch. Like, subscribe, share, follow. All the links are below. Hit the bell for notifications, especially share. This message cannot possibly get out without sharing. It is the most important concept here. And to that end, this graphics tutorial today is quite fitting. It really is. Bipolar disorder and PTSD are glitches. They're glitches in my brain. And just like I'm going to show you how to control the glitch and how to make it go away and how to make it go with stuff and make stuff look interesting, your glitch isn't always bad. You can make it and control it the way you need to. That way you're not surprised when it happens. That you know exactly when it's supposed to happen. You can control it. You can. You can control your parameters. You have to control your parameters just like you control your parameters and what you're defining is where things go in the tutorial that we're about to look at. That's exactly how I've done it. I've controlled my glitch. It took a long time. It takes practice. It takes doing it. Control your glitch. Let's get to the tutorial. Okay, so what you want to do, either you want to start a new project and open it up like I've shown you before, or I already have one ready for you guys. Whatever graphics thing that you're trying to do the glitch effect for, whether it be a transition, whether it be a couple clips, whatever it is, you want to have whatever it is in there as a placeholder in case you want to use it again for something else. So you don't necessarily want to have this as a one-time only. You know what I'm saying? So pre-compose that whatever layer it is that you're trying to do, pre-compose that. So we're going to go to layer, new, solid. We're going to name this map. Okay, so we're going to add a fractal noise. So we're going to go to noise and grain. Whoops, I want to make sure it's highlighted. Yeah, if it's not highlighted, you can't put anything on there. It'll just be grayed out. Let's see here. Okay, so noise and grain, fractal noise. We're going to go to max, block. We're going to have this set at 180, like the contrast at 180. The brightness at -25. Okay. We want to go down like I showed you in the last tutorial. We want to uncheck uniform scaling because we don't want this to be all the same size. It's supposed to look like a glitch. So we're going to have that 6,000 scale width. Okay. Then starting with, now technically the beginning is here. So what we're going to do is we're going to shorten this up a little bit. I'm just a bit of a weirdo when it comes to this. I know it makes literally no, well, this part does actually. I don't want any mistakes here. So we're going to shorten down, make sure that's down. Okay. That's just me. You do not have to do that part because actually, trust me, when you see what it's going to have, it's going to disappear anyway. So it's basically going to be this long. It's going to be less than half a second. That's what makes it so cool. Okay. Gotta animate this thing. So I'm going to show you guys something a little different this time. We're going to go to, normally you would just push your stopwatch and do how many rotations you want it to do. But in this particular case, we want this to glitch a bunch of times. Okay, a whole bunch of times within a short span of time. All right, so you go Alt, hold Alt, click, and you're going to show you this. Okay, that is where you can write what they call expressions. Okay, and you're going to write down time. Times, that's the asterisk sign, 1,000. All right, and that's going to create this little thing. See, I even come up with my own sound effects. Aren't I smart, guys? Oh, all right. So we're going to do that. Okay, and then we're going to add another thing to this layer to complete it. We're going to go down to transition. We're going to go to linear white. Okay, and we want to click the stopwatch here at 0, and we want it to complete it. Okay, technically it's in there, but still, we want it 100%. So it's going to look like that. So that you say, Daryl, that's not what your glitch effect looks like. Well, we're not done here. Patience, people, patience. Okay. Now we're going to turn this off, okay? Because you don't need to see that. All right. Now, next thing we're going to do, we're going to add layer, new adjustment layer. Oh, whoops. One more thing before this. We want to pre-comp this too, okay? Make sure you move all attributes into the new composition. We're going to name this map. And we want to go to distort. We're going to go to displacement map. And we're going to go have this to map. What we want here, I want this to be 0 starting out. 0. Maybe we want this to 96 maybe. Okay. All right. And we want to set keyframes here. Boom, boom, at the very beginning. Okay. We want to do random numbers, whatever it is your little, it's tickles your fancy. Okay. So let's say we put 40 here. Okay. Maybe put 100. Well, no way we go higher than that. 180. Whoa, that's way high. Okay. And actually, we're going to go ahead and circle these. And I'm going to show you something. See, I showed you guys F9 to make things smoother. We don't want things smooth right now. We want things very glitchy. So you right click on the circle all the keyframes. Right click and you put toggle hold keyframe, okay? And what it is that keyframe is not going to change the number. It's not going to be slowly decreasing or increasing. No, it's going to stay the same up until the moment you change it, okay? So from now on, that's kind of the rule here, okay? So we're going to go to 20. Let's say, and we go to, let's say 100. And the last one has to be 0. So we're going to put stuff in between here too. So 0, 0, and 0. So it should look like, and it's happened so fast, as you guys have seen, that it literally is making it look like not only is the triangle turning on fire, but it also looks like that the purple turns into my life. That's quite a nice little trick. I like it. So this was a simple effect. Now let's see what it looks like rendered out. So let's take a look how we do. Now, in truth, y'all know that I could have done so much more with that. You can add clips in the background. The thing about doing it lossless is you can have clips and stuff like that underneath or whatever it is you need to do. So that's it for the tutorial for today. Next week, we're going to do the fire effect. That's going to be a little bit longer video, but it's so cool. You guys see what it looks like. So I'm going to show you how to do that next week. Remember, go to bipolarize.net, hit the bell for notifications. Be safe when you're traveling from here to there. Well, in general, just be safe. Be safe when you're traveling. Be aware of your surroundings, that kind of thing. And with that being said, be understanding of one another. When you see someone down or depressed, or when you see someone that's in a certain mood, try and see what you can do. Make them laugh. Shoot, if that's the only thing you can do, that's the only thing you can do. But at least you tried, right? Remember, life is fleeting. You're not promised your next breath. You're just not. I know that. I knew that in 2013. I found that out the hard way, and it's an eye opener, and it's the reason why I'm here. And may the Lord light guide you in all things. Goodbye.